Oh snaps! It's raining as hard as hell out here. Make a video anyway. I got my umbrella. I'm dry as a fly in the desert with no water. But there's water. So that doesn't make any damn sense. I can pretend there's no water. And I'm in the desert. There's like 5 plants here today. This store is back in business. They're like, we're going bankrupt. We're closing at 10 instead of 11. Which is from 12 o'clock from 1 o'clock when we used to be 24 hours. And we only gonna have one employee. Stock the whole store with one employee. $10 an hour. Oh shit, here comes a car. This car's coming fast as hell. I'm finna stop. What the? Look at this guy. It's like I'm finna come in your area. I was like, this guy work here? He's going to Walmart. Oh shit, I'm just advertising some shit. I ain't advertising nothing. I'm finna walk down this little path right here. Should I sing in the rain? Sing in the rain? I don't know how that song goes. I think I tried to sing it a couple months ago. I'm just singing in the rain. I thought it was about candy after it was over. Oh shit, that was lightning. Oh shit, I'm like under the dry area. I don't fool around with lightning. There's 2 things I don't like walking home in. Ice and fucking lightning. I'm not talking about snow. Fuck snow. Snow is fucking easy. But ice? While I'm sliding over the damn street? Fuck that shit. Or ice? Fuck ice. I'm looking at this video now, and I made like a whole video from where I was to wherever now, and that shit was not on. I couldn't tell it was on. Didn't even see no numbers moving. And I'm looking mad rough right now. Look at that hair right there, baby. You like that? Touch that chin. Touch that chin, baby. Touch it. Anyway. I'm just singing in the rain. Candy rain. Bring back the candy rain? What's up with these cars? These cars are going slow as hell. They're like, what's that guy doing? Why is he over here? Why do everybody think I'm a robber? Because it's nighttime? Because it's 2 o'clock in the morning? I gotta rob some shit? I mean, look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some fancy shit. Why would I rob the store in some fancy shit? Hey, why you ain't got a car, man? I'm like, fuck you, man. Candy rain? Bringing it back? Oh shit, it's windy. It's windy. Have you ever loved someone in the dark because they were so ugly you didn't want to see their face? So much you thought to die. I'm in the darkness. Oh yeah. My hands are hurt. I'm not gonna switch hands though. That shit be hurting. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die? People right there. They're like, why am I screaming? My face is screaming down the street. They're like I'm drunk. I get a ride. I get a cab. So here you go right now. I'm in that darkness. I'm not motivated to do more video. My arm is tired. Let me do a little switch. Bad idea. Work with me, dude. Like, hey man, very dark in here. Should I keep going with this video? 4 minutes? No end in sight? More rain? Look at the rain right now. Look at that shit. The street is fucking shining. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you died? Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you... Oh shit, if I do like that, you can kind of see my face. See my face. Don't see my... What?